Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed comparison between Granola and Fellow, two powerful AI meetings tools that are designed to help you capture insights, summarize conversations automatically, and stay productive without drowning in notes. If you're someone who's constantly jumping between meetings and wondering how to keep track of everything without rewatching calls or rewriting notes, this video is for you. Let's get started. Granola positions itself as an AI notepad for people in back-to-back meetings. Instead of acting like a traditional meeting recorder, Granola focuses on enhancing your own notes. You take notes naturally during the meeting, and once the meeting ends, the AI fills in the gaps, organizes your thoughts, and highlights key moments like decisions, action items, and next steps. One important thing to note is that Granola does not use a meeting bot. It captures audio directly from your device, which makes it feel very unobtrusive and lightweight. There's no awkward AI join the meeting moment, and that's a big deal for a lot of professionals. Granola is clearly built for individuals and small teams who want speed, simplicity, and clean summaries without overcomplicating their workflow. Now let us talk about Fellow. Fellow, on the other hand, takes a broader and more enterprise-focused approach. It's not just a note-taking tool. It's a full meeting intelligence platform. Fellow can record meetings, transcribe conversations, generate AI summaries, extract action items, and sync all of that data with your calendar, your CRM, and your project management tools. It also gives teams the option to record audio and video, making it easy to review meetings later. One of Fellow's biggest selling points is its focus on privacy and security. It's designed with teams and companies in mind, offering strong compliance standards and clear data ownership policies. So right from the start, the difference is clear. Granola focuses on simplicity and personal productivity, while Fellow focuses on collaboration, structure, and enterprise-level control. Now, let us talk about the main features of each of the platform. We start with Granola. Here's what Granola does really well. AI-enhanced meeting notes that expand and polish what you wrote, automatic transcription without needing a bot in the call, smart summaries that highlight key points, decisions, and action items, custom notes templates for different meeting types like sales calls, interviews, or stand-ups, and an AI chat feature that lets you ask questions about past meetings. There's also integrations with popular productivity tools like Slack, Notion, and other CRM platforms. Granola feels like a smart notebook that quietly works in the background and cleans everything up for you after the meeting ends. And what about Fellow? Fellow offers a more robust feature set: audio and video meeting recording, automatic transcription in many languages, AI-generated summaries and follow-up tasks, calendar integration as well, deep integrations with CRM tools, task managers, and collaboration platforms, team collaboration features like shared notes and searchable meeting history, strong admin controls and security features for teams. Another thing to note is that Fellow also gives users the choice of whether a meeting bot appears or not, which adds flexibility depending on your company's meeting culture. So what is the pricing like? For Granola, there are three basic plans. There is the free plan at $0 per month. To try Granola out, you have access to some features. And there's the business plan for individuals and small teams at $14 per month. There's also the enterprise plan for larger companies at $35 per month. And for Fellow, there's also a free plan for those getting started with Fellow. There's a team plan for small team at $7 per month. There's a business plan at $15 per month and an enterprise plan at $25 per user per month. Now, for the team, business, and enterprise plan, these prices go per user per month. It's also good to note that these prices are for the annual subscriptions. If you decide to pay monthly, the prices go up. Now, if you are an individual who wants to use Fellow, there's the free plan as well at $0 per month, and also the solo plan for a team of one at $19 per user per month. It becomes $29 if you decide to pay monthly. What are the pros and cons of using these platforms? We start with the pros. For Granola, it's extremely easy to use with almost no learning curve, no bot joint meetings, it has a clear distraction-free interface, and it has a great free plan for individuals. And the pros of Fellow: full meeting recordings and playback are available. It has excellent integrations with CRM tools and task tools. There's flexible recording options and strong privacy and security standards. How about the cons? For Granola, no video or audio playback after meetings is available, and there are fewer advanced integrations compared to enterprise tools. And for Fellow, it has a more complex interface, and it takes a bit longer to set up and learn. So which one is actually the better choice? Well, here's a balanced conclusion. Choose Granola if you are an individual professional, a founder, or a freelancer who wants clean, fast meeting notes without distractions. If you don't care about rewatching meetings and just want clear takeaways, then Granola is an excellent option. Now choose Fellow if you work in a team-based or enterprise environment where meetings need to be recorded, shared, analyzed, and connected to workflows like CRM and project management tools. Fellow offers far more depth, but that depth comes with added complexity. And that's it on the comparison of Granola and Fellow AI. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Otter, Tactic, and MidGig. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.